Hello friends, this is a video tutorial on how to configure or you either say how to log in into Ubiquiti router. Before going further, we must first take care how to physically set up all the device. And to do so, you must require a laptop, a Ubiquiti router with PoE adapter, and two LAN cable. And one LAN cable must be fully crimped. Okay, so let me show you some pictures of how to do this. Here, the PoE adapter has two Ether ports. One will be connected to the router, Ubiquiti router, which must be a full crimped. Okay, and other is a LAN cable PoE, which you can connect to your device. Right, this is one way, or either you have another options to set up. Right, Ubiquiti router is connected to PoE. PoE is because power, it says power over Ethernet. This router needs a power. Okay, and this power will receive from this adapter. From this adapter, the in RJ45 this serial color code number 4578 carries power, right? So this carries power to this receiver, and along with that, that also brings data to this router. And then LAN cable must be connected to router, and from that router you plug a cable direct to your computer, and you can also configure this way. And there are other ways also, right? So the most simple part is you just connect PoE cable to the router and LAN cable to your system. This is how you can log in into the Ubiquiti router. Right. Okay. And the next step that we need to know is the default IP which we need to log in. And all the Ubiquiti device will provide you a default IP of 192.168.1.20. So this is the default IP where you can log in, right? So uh, and other thing also, Ubiquiti router by default the DHCP service is disabled, which means you need to put a static IP in your system to get login into Ubiquiti router. So here we go. First, let me turn off my Wi-Fi router, and let me first check whether I'm connecting to Ubiquiti router or not, right? Ping 192.168.1.20 is the default IP. Okay, I'm getting response. Maybe I have a static IP in my system. Let's check. See, I have a manual. I have put a static IP in my system. If I put it, if I use it as a DHCP, the ping reply will go away, because as I told you by default here, as I told you, right, by default DHCP service is disabled in Ubiquiti router, so it will not provide any DHCP service which you are trying to use in here, right? So you need to have a manual IP or static IP in your system to get connected, right? Okay, so here we go. And whenever you put static IP in your system, the IP series must be applied as following 192.168.1 dot, right? And after that you can put any IP from 1 to 254. Okay, now 192.168.1 dot I cannot put 20 because 20 is the game. 20 will be my gateway where I need to log in, right? So I cannot put it, and I can put any number. Nice, let's say 12, right? Subnet mask 255.255.255. Oh, okay, apply. Now I must get a response, right? So I'm getting ping response, right? That means I can communicate with Ubiquiti router from my system to that device. Okay, now how to log in into Ubiquiti router is open any browser. Open any browser, right? So here we go. 192.168.1.20 is the default IP of Ubiquiti router, which I told you, right? So you need to put that IP in your browser and then press enter. So here you will come in the login page and click on advanced and proceed to this unsave. Here we go. Now in the login page you will ask username, password, country code and language, right? So you can select as per your country and the language you feel easy to deal with. Okay, by default Ubiquiti username is UBNT and the password is also UBNT. Okay, let me put it in here. UBNT, and I'm in India, so country code is India, right? India and English, and then I accept the terms and condition and then click on login and you're good to go. Let's wait. This is how you log in into Ubiquiti router. And okay, UBNT and UBNT. Okay, here we go. This is the home page, and this video is mainly uh, it is mainly a guidance on how to log in into Ubiquiti router. And somehow if you don't find your IP, or if the default IP is being changed, you may face problem as such that you are unable to find the IP to log in, right? In that case what you need to do is uh, you can download Ubiquiti discovery tool, right, which I have already downloaded, and this software will find your IP address, right? See, it will also tell you the name of the device and then IP address, which you can know. If you change the IP address, it will reflect over here. So hope you have a great day. Thanks.